Preparing to study abroad in Germany is an exciting journey, but it can feel overwhelming at first. Let's break it down step by step, starting with the all-important student visa. First, you need to research the different types of visas available. Most likely, you'll be applying for the student visa, but there are other options like the language course visa or the student applicant visa. Each has its own requirements, so take the time to understand which one fits your situation best. Once you've identified the right visa, it's time to gather your documents. This is where organization becomes your best friend. You'll need your acceptance letter from a German university, proof of financial resources, health insurance, and a valid passport. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned stay. It's also a good idea to have your documents translated into German, as some consulates prefer them that way. Next, you'll want to book your visa appointment. This can be a bit tricky, as slots fill up quickly. Check the website of your local German consulate or embassy for instructions on how to schedule your appointment. Be sure to do this well in advance, as waiting times can vary significantly. Now, let's talk about preparing for the visa interview. This is your chance to shine. Familiarize yourself with your study program and be ready to explain why you chose Germany and how it fits into your academic and career goals. Practice answering common questions, and don't forget to dress professionally. First impressions matter. On the day of your interview, arrive early. Bring all your documents neatly organized in a folder. The interview itself usually lasts about 10 to 15 minutes, but it can feel like a lifetime. Stay calm, be honest, and remember that the consulate staff are there to help you. After the interview, the waiting game begins. Processing times can vary, so be patient. Use this time to finalize your travel plans, look into accommodation options, and maybe even brush up on your German language skills. Once you receive your visa approval, it's time to book your flight to Germany. Make sure to check the latest travel regulations and entry requirements, as these can change frequently. Finally, as you prepare for your journey, pack wisely. Bring essentials, but remember that you can buy most things in Germany. Don't forget to leave some space in your suitcase for souvenirs and new experiences. Studying abroad is a life-changing adventure, and preparing for it can be just as rewarding. Embrace the process, stay organized, and soon you'll be on your way to exploring everything Germany has to offer.